Hi, this is Rick Filio in Pembroke, New Hampshire, in the backyard, and today is October 25th, 2020, and I have this 1977, very nice 1977 35 horse. Had a couple minor problems, and I was able to get through it and see if I can get it restarted and give you a quick demo.